If you want to print something using your iPhone 17, here's what you need to do. So once you find the file that you wish to print, whether it is like a photo or a PDF document, then you should be able to open that document. And now you want to look for the share button, which looks usually like this, like a square with the arrow going up. You want to tap on this option. It can be placed like at the bottom of the screen. It can be also be placed sometimes in the upper right corner. This actually depends on the app itself. And then once you find it, we have the print option in here, so we can select this option, and there you go. Now, of course, you should be able to find your printer over here in this menu where you go to printer in case it is not detected yet. So you can connect right here. However, in some cases you might be required to download a very specific app for your printer in order to detect it. So unfortunately, there is no single method that allows you to connect any printer. You are most likely looking for a manual for your printer, how to connect that printer with iPhones. And once you are ready, of course, by the way, you can also adjust the number of copies and the paper size and even the layout, and then you should be able to use this printer icon in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.